Did you know that in the last 40 years, the average man's sperm count has dropped by over 50%? And that for couples struggling with infertility, the cause is with the man about half the time. But surprisingly, only 10% of men have actually checked their sperm condition. Of that small group, 44% when diagnosed with infertility. It's a more serious issue than we think. My partner and I, we often talk about the future. We dream of building a beautiful family with our kids someday. I realized how important it was to check my condition to reassure her and for my own confidence. Among the test kits I could easily buy, the HAGOBOGO sperm microscope felt the most trustworthy. The best part is that you can see it with your own eyes. The image quality is crystal clear and the app lets you observe the sperm shape in detail. It's a high-quality product with a 3-sided lens for a great image. It is single-use for hygiene and convenience. The satisfaction you get from its performance and results will be far greater than any other kits. Thanks to HAGOBOGO, I was able to easily do something I've been putting off. Don't put off something that's important for you and your partner. Take the first step.